In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see what's changed with edit and version history. If you've ever opened a Google Doc sheet or slide and wanted to know what was updated, when it happened, or who made the change, version history is the tool you need. It's especially helpful when you are collaborating with other people, reviewing edits, or trying to go back and understand how a file has changed over time. To get started, open your file in the Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides editor. Make sure you are inside the file you want to review, because version history is tied to that specific document, spreadsheet, or presentation. Once the file is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main file menu, where you'll find several document options. From there, move your cursor over version history. A small side menu will appear, and then you can click See Version History. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, T here is also a faster way to open it. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and H at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Option, Shift, and H. This is a useful shortcut if you check changes often and want to save a little time. After you open version history, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you'll see a list of saved versions with timestamps along with the names of editors associated with those changes. This makes it much easier to track the timeline of edits and understand who contributed what. To inspect a specific update, simply click on one of the versions in that right-hand panel. When you do, the file will show you exactly what was changed in that version. This gives you a clear visual way to review edits and compare the current file with previous states. If you are checking for accidental changes, reviewing collaboration, or confirming that an update was made, this view can be extremely useful. That's all it takes to see what's changed using edit and version history in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time and confusion when working with shared files or tracking document progress. Thanks for watching.